Well, hello dear students. Today we're going to describe and compare people. In order to do that, I need you to observe these pictures and keep in mind what they look like. I also want you to remember the vocabulary we have studied regarding this topic. As you can see here, we have parts of the face and color and shape styles of the hair, right? You can see we have from here forehead, ears, the nose, nostrils, freckles, a beard. We have wrinkles, we have eyebrows, eyelids, we have the parts of the mouth, lips, teeth, tongue, and of course on the right hand side we have the different shapes, styles and colors of hair, so you can describe. You have short hair in different colors, you have long hair, straight, wavy, curly, and so on. Make sure you remember these. Well, now we're going to talk about this woman right here. Her name is Michelle. Observe her please, and let's go here. We have a brief description of some of the most relevant features of Michelle's. Michelle has long hair, she has white skin, and she has beautiful blue eyes. Notice how the characteristic long, white, beautiful, blue always goes before the item or the part of the body that we are describing. You can express this exact meaning in this way. Michelle's hair is drifting somewhere her skin is white, her eyes are with everyone. Here, these equivalent. I am getting used to this. We have Marcus and Peter. Observe both of them. And let's go to some of the examples that we use to describe them. Okay, so as we see here, we have some descriptions. We have Marcus has big blue eyes. Peter's eyes are brown. Marcus's hair is brown. Peter has a long beard. Marcus is slim. Peter has nice. I want you to notice how if you give the characteristic and the body part, the characteristic goes again before the body part. Big eyes, long ears, gonna burn for this, but now that we have described Michelle, Marcus, you know, we can move on to if I didn't and don't you observe them and try to figure out some differences between these two guys. Let's see. So we can say that Marcus's eyes are bigger than Peter's. Look at this. You have Marcus's eyes are bigger than Peter's. Okay. Look at the noses. His nose is small, his is big. So you can say that Marcus's nose is smaller than Peter's. There you go. Marcus's nose is smaller than Peter's. And we can just continue like that. We can say who is fatter, who's taller, who's stronger. But what happens when we have longer adjectives? Look, handsome, informal, stressful, interesting, beautiful. Notice the difference. We say now, Marcus is more handsome than Peter. Peter's clothes are more informal than Marcus's. Let's go here. We said that Marcus is more handsome than Peter, okay? And that his clothes are more informal than Marcus's. As you can see here, these adjectives are longer and they require another word. More handsome than, more stressful than. Okay, so make sure you remember short adjectives add er and than. Er, than. Long adjectives more than. More than. All right. Of course, there are some exceptions. As you can see here, these are the most common ones. Good, bad, far, fun. Good, the comparative of good is better than. So you can say something like, Marcus's clothes are better than Peter's. This is just an example. And along those lines, you can say that Peter's clothes are worse than Marcus's. Then far. The comparative form of far is farther. Notice how the spelling changes. Farther than. You could say something like, Cajica is farther than Chapinero. And the last one, we have fun. Although it is a short adjective, we need to make it in the longer way. More fun than. Can you think of something that is more fun than something else? You can say, for instance, riding a horse is more fun than playing basketball. All right, now that we have learned how to draw comparisons between two people or two items, we're going to practice with a game that you can find in the British Council webpage. There are many web pages that you can practice and learn with this. I just chose this one because it gives you some interactive games and that we can just practice and enjoy and learn with. I just want you to follow the instructions, and it says read the clue and then spell. It's about spelling. This is quite easy, but it's like a good way to start. Let's read our hint. This animal is heavier than a shark. It lives in the sea. And as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Most of you will probably know the answer. So let's see how it goes. I think it is a whale, right? We're going to spell it. H-A-L-E. There we go. So it is correct. Now we hit next. We have another hint, a new clue. This animal is a pet. It is bigger than a cat. It's a pet and it's got only 3 letters. I mean, common sense would say it's a dog. Let's see. Yep, it's got a no. It's a dog, of course. Well, that is an easy one. So you can practice more of these games and just continue. It will get a little bit more difficult with time. And it's just an invitation to practice and practice. And once you have been done with that practice, I want you to do the activity for this session. As you can see here, I have given you several images of people that you can compare. You have a slim woman and a little heavier woman, right? You have an older person with a very young person, two boys, a tall one and a short one, and we can continue like that. We have the Beauty and the Beast, and we have 2 versions of the same woman with different length of hair. I want you guys to draw comparisons of the different people here in this picture. You can name them or you can just number them so that the comparisons are clear and and you can just do a thorough comparison and presentation of this. Thank you very much for your time and all the best with your activity. See you next time.